I learnt to make clothes over lockdown, and then I had 2 kids and haven't had the chance to get the sewing machine out, and I saw this as an ideal opportunity to sort of refresh those skills.
I didn't really know much about it, so yeah, it's really useful. I didn't know anything about how to use a sewing machine either, so I feel a bit more confident.
We got a choice to make either a jacket or a dress, and I've gone for a dress. So we've done various techniques. We've drafted the pattern, we've done a mock-up of the pattern to make sure that everything fit.
I hadn't stepped foot in a college for like 15 years, but it's been nice, and actually it's made me think I'd like to do something like this maybe once a year, do a course, because it's nice learning a new skill.
I guess there was a nervousness around knowing if I would be able to do what was required for the course, but that was soon put at ease.
Doing something new is always quite nerve-wracking. I've quite enjoyed it, but I am hoping on honing in on the skills that I've learned during this course and using them at home. Sewing's a really good life skill that not many people seem to have anymore. It'd just be nice to be able to tailor my own clothes and make them look better.